Hey everyone, remember in the last video I found a raccoon skull while I was out looking for antlers and didn't find any antlers? Well, today I'm going to make it kind of a easy way to do it yourself, skull bleaching or whitening, a European mount kind of thing. So what I have is a tin can for water to put the skull in, because I don't want to take a kettle from the house because I don't want to get in trouble with my wife. All right. Water. A lighter. Peroxide. And the skull. Look at those pearly whites. Any dentist would be proud of those teeth. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you think? Stinks. Oh. It's not that bad, but it stinks. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill this up enough to cover the skull. All right. Put that on there. And what I'm going to do now is take the skull, put it down in there, grab the water, holy crap, it's floating. That's all right. Huh. Who'd have thought? But it stinks. Holy crap. All right, now I'm going to turn the burner on. And obviously light it. And then let it sit for probably long enough to where the flesh is starting coming off the skull. Then maybe let it go for a little bit longer. Alright, now it's at a boil. And I'm going to turn it down to just so that it's simmering a little bit. If it boils too hard, too fast, it's going to end up separating the skull plates and the teeth, and everything's going to end up falling apart in the nasal cavity. So I think I'm going to leave it go just like that. Well, I'm going to take a look at it, see how it's progressing. It's not too bad, considering the flesh was dry when I found it. Now it needs to soften up and start to fall off, so I'll put that back in. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit more just to speed the process up a little bit. Give it a good little bit of a rolling boil, not a extreme boil. Well, I took it out of the water, and this is what I ended up with. It's not that bad, but it's going to need some TLC, and there's some flesh on it yet I'm going to have to pick at to get it all clean. So, and took the bottom jaw off too. I got to be careful with that. Well, kind of late for that, but there must be obviously a growth plate here, otherwise it wouldn't be splitting like it is. So once I take that flesh off, it's gonna fall apart just like or pull apart like a wishbone. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna clean this all up, make this part of the video part 1, and do the bleaching of it part 2. So what I'm going to do then is boil it with some peroxide and water and let that work at it, and take it out and clean it and do it twice, and it should turn out. So I'm going to end this video with a joke. For those of you that know me, I like to make people smile and laugh a little bit, but what did the left eye say to the right eye? Between you and me, I think something smells. All right. Everyone have a good day. Enjoy the little things.